guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to be telling you how to get an intro and a video editor with no watermarks. So all I want to go to, this actually only works on Android. I don't know if it works on iOS, but if it works on iOS, try it. If it works on iOS, that's 100% good. That's all I want to do is go to your Play Store. And you want to find like the best intro maker with no watermark. This is obviously for free. It's not, you don't have to purchase it. So it's actually called, so all you want to do is search Fort Intro Maker. Fort Intro Maker. And now download this one. I already installed it, by the way. And yeah, you can actually remove the watermark. It's good. So that's good. But yeah, you can actually, you don't have to purchase to remove the watermark. All you have to do is just click on the X, and then there will be an ad, and then after when the ad goes, you can have access to, you can finally get this away. Like, look. I'm not gonna do the top subtitle, but I'm gonna pause it here because I wanna skip the the ad, so it's gonna be boring. So alright guys, so I skipped the ad, and as you can see, there is no watermark over there. And yeah, let's move on. And then if you want to click the correct, that is the exporting button. Okay, now let's move on. Alright, so now we want the editors. So I haven't seen this one. I don't know it's no watermark, but I'm pretty sure it was no watermark. Yeah, I did check it out. Hold on. Let me just see one of my videos. This is actually this intro that I've done. Select marketing. And then let's try. Yep, as you can see, there is no watermark at all. So this is what you want to download. Yeah, let's see. So all you want to search to install this. You either want to search video cut, I think. Video cut. Or no watermark. Video cut, no watermark. This is the one. UCut. Yeah, my bad. It's called UCut. Video editor and no watermark, as you can see. No watermark at all. So yeah, that's it guys. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. And by the way, in my outro, I'll be actually doing a shout out on my outro. You will see today's shout out. You look down and you see today's shout out, and then you see a finger pointing to the word, to whose shout out. So yeah guys, there has been people subscribing yesterday. So I'm gonna I picked one to shout out from them, and you will see guys. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, smash that like button, make sure to subscribe and click that notification button so you get notified when I upload a new video. And yeah, I'll see you guys later. Bye. Like a Hellcat.